Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to give a comparison between Lenovo Tab M10 FHD Plus and Samsung Tab A7. I have tried to give a comparison of most of the features, so stay tuned and watch till the end. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. So first let's talk about the exteriors. Samsung Tab A7 has a length of 9.75 inches and a width of 6.2 inches, while the Lenovo Tab has a length of 9.61 inches and a width of 6.04 inches. So the Samsung A7 is slightly bigger as compared to the Lenovo Tab. The thickness of Samsung A7 is 0.28 inches while the Lenovo Tab is 0.32 inches. So the Samsung one is more sleek, but grip wise Lenovo Tab is better as it is slightly thicker. The weight of Samsung Tab A7 is 477 grams and Lenovo M10 is 460 grams. So there is not much of a difference in that. As for the price, I bought the Samsung Tab A7 for 18K and the Lenovo Tab for 21K. The Samsung Galaxy A7 comes with a 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, which is expandable to 1TB. The Lenovo Tab M10 FHD has 4GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, and it's expandable to 256GB. Both tablets come with a memory card slot, but 4G LTE support is available only in the Lenovo Tab, and this version of the Samsung Tab does not support data calling. It has only Wi-Fi. Now for the display, Samsung A7 has TFT display and Lenovo has IPS LCD. Samsung has a resolution of 1200 by 2000 pixels while Lenovo has 1200 by 1920 pixels. The screen size of Samsung Tab is 10.4 inches and Lenovo Tab is 10.3 inches. Both the tabs are equally good with the screen quality for watching videos, but as my personal experience in bright sunlight, the Lenovo Tab is a little bit better in brightness. Now talking about the battery, the Samsung A7 comes with a 7040 mAh battery which can last for at least up to 7 hours, while the Lenovo Tab has 5000 mAh battery which is good for around 4 to 5 hours. So in terms of battery life, the Samsung A7 has a long lasting battery with a bonus of 1 to 2 hours over the Lenovo Tab. Now moving on to the speakers, both the tabs have good sound quality with speakers on both the sides which are equipped with Dolby Atmos. But if compared together, we can see the difference as the Samsung speakers are a lot louder and better than the Lenovo Tab. Here is a comparison of the sound quality of both the tabs. The Pro Elite flip case cover for Lenovo Tab M10 FHD Plus 10.3 inches, and it's compatible with three models, X606V, X606F and X606X. The Pro Elite flip case cover for Lenovo Tab M10 FHD Plus 10.3 inches, and it's compatible with three models, X606V, X606F and X606X. Now talking about the performance, Samsung Tab A7 has a Snapdragon 662 processor, which is an octa-core processor, so you can play games smoothly on it, while the Lenovo has Helio P22T processor, which also gives close-up performance to the Samsung Tab, and it can also handle some gaming without much of a problem. though the Samsung Tab is better in this aspect. Both the tabs have 5 MP front camera and 8 MP back camera, so the camera quality is around of the same level, which is not that impressive, but they are okay for video calling and online classes. Now, to sum up as to which tablet will be better for you, it will depend on your preferences. If you are looking for a tab with lots of storage, a 4 GB RAM, good enough display quality, light gaming, and LTE support, you can go for the Lenovo Tab M10 FHD Plus. And if you are looking for a tab with good battery life of about 7 hours, a very good sound quality, a good display, then you can surely go for the Samsung Tab A7. About the display and touchscreen quality, I would say I prefer the Samsung Tab A7. With Lenovo, I have found some glitches in the touchscreen, but overall, both the tabs have been working fine and there are no major issues. I hope my video will be helpful for you in deciding which tab to purchase, and if you have any more queries, please comment in the comment section below. If you liked my video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.